Hey y'all, Joyce here, certified health and nutrition coach. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today is the first day of September and it's also the first day of Whole Grains Month. So to celebrate, we are checking out some quinoa today. And my question for you is, have you ever cooked quinoa and it came out kind of clumpy and soggy? Well, this happened to me a lot of times, and now I've figured out the best recipe. So I'm going to show you guys the easiest, most foolproof way to cook quinoa so it's nice and fluffy. Let's get started. What you're going to need is a medium pot and a tight fitting lid. And for quinoa, the ratio is 1:2. 1 dry cup of quinoa to 2 cups water or your liquid of choice. Let's take a closer look at quinoa. Quinoa is a gluten-free seed that is indigenous to the Andes region of South America, primarily Bolivia and Peru. This herbaceous plant can grow to almost 10 feet tall, and the flowers contain the seeds that we eat as quinoa. Seeds come in different colors like white, red, yellow, purple, or black. And fun fact, the leaves of this plant can be eaten like spinach. Rinsing quinoa is a preference. I don't like to rinse my quinoa because I like it a little bit tender and nuttier in flavor. So go ahead and add the water and your quinoa. Grab a fork and just stir it around. Then turn this on to high so we can get it to boil. Now that the mixture is boiling, let's cover it and bring the heat down to medium-low for about 10 minutes. If you like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it to stay updated on future videos as soon as they come out. Also connect with me on Instagram and Facebook at Kala Health and Wellness. And if you're curious about a free 20-minute consult, contact me at jm@kalahealthandwellness.com. Okay, this is the 10th minute. Let's take a look. Okay, so once you see these little spots, little divots come up, take your fork and start fluffing the quinoa because it can get stuck to the bottom. So let's just turn off the heat, cover it and remove from heat and let it sit for 5 minutes. Just want to stress how important it is to pick the right size pot. So we're going for medium, not small, and this medium sized pot is about 8 inches in diameter. And the reason for that is we want to give enough surface area for the 2 cups of water and 1 cup of dry quinoa to cook evenly. All right, let's take a look at what a serving size looks like on the plate for quinoa, and that's about 1/2 cup for any grains. So here we go, here's 1/2 cup, and this is what it looks like on the plate. If you're curious, 1 cup of dried quinoa will give you about 3 cups worth of cooked quinoa. And that's basically the easiest way to cook quinoa for the perfect texture, not too hard, not too soft, just perfectly tender and fluffy. Let me know what you think of the recipe in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share, or hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you have, thank y'all so much. Stay tuned next week. We're going to continue on this series, Explore Whole Grains, to celebrate Happy Whole Grains Month. So make sure to follow along that playlist. Again, Explore Whole Grains. And I'll see you guys next week. And until then, remember, you deserve to be happy and healthy.